What's up guys? Aloha aloha! Today papunta tayo ngayon sa Waimea para makita ang cherry blossoms. Pero dadaan muna kami ngayon dyan sa Tex Drive-In to buy malasadas. At eto nga, nakabili na kami ng malasadas. Ang bilis, walang paligoy-ligoy. 2 strawberry, 1 Bavarian. Yun o, kita nyo ba yan? Oh, man. Delicious. What's up guys? Aloha, how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Nandito na ngayon tayo sa Waimea. Tinitingnan namin yung cherry blossoms. Announcement today. Last week we did hit 500 subscribers. Yes sir. Chee! Thank you guys sa suporta. Thank you for all the support, for subscribing my channel, for watching all my videos. Thank you so much guys. Nagpapasalamat ako ng sobra kasi na-appreciate niyo yung ginagawa kong video. Sobrang saya ko kasi although like sobrang busy ko, I still like push myself to make content kahit sobrang napaka-busy ko sa work. That being said, na alam mo, sobrang saya ko kasi may mga tao nakaka-appreciate ng hard work ko, yung making video vlog. So thank you so much. Pipili tayo ng 2 winners ng raffle natin, yung mga subscribers natin. Yung entry nyo is ipopost ko tong video na to, and then sa comment section ilagay nyo yung put your full name and where you came from. Yun ang entry sa video na to. So make sure na watch this video para makapag-entry kayo. Dun tayo pipili, iraraffle natin. Thank you again so much, and I appreciate all of you guys. Yes sir. Chee! What you doing? Thank you all subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Say Sapira. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Like this, shaka. You do shaka. You do shaka. Shaka. Ladies. Ladies. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So paano ba ako nag-start mag YouTube, mag-vlogging? It was like year 2020. It was like pandemic at that time. Wala masyadong magawa sa bahay, stuck up sa bahay. And then at that time too na I was in a verge of giving up my career sa pagiging chef. So I was like nasa ko ng depression noon, na hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. That's why I try to find some things na alam mo yun, yung malibang yung sarili ko. And then yun nga, doon ako nag-start mag-vlog. Sinubukan ko kahit medyo nakakahiya. Sinubukan ko siyang gawin. Doon ako natutong mag-fishing. I meet like new friends. Tapos sa pagko-cooking, I talk a lot of people sa comment section, like around the world, mga friends ko din and family. Yung YouTube talaga nakatulong sa akin kasi like I was like giving up already sa pagiging working in a restaurant. And then one day na parang nag-e-edit ako, and then ni-review ko yung video na ginawa ko, nagluluto ako noon. And then na-realize ko na alam mo yung ang saya-saya ko habang nagluluto sa vlog. And then dun ko na-realize na talagang kahit sobrang I was down before, na yung pa rin na talagang love ko pa rin yung pagluluto talaga. Talagang doon ko na-realize yung nag-flashback yung all sacrifices, yung hard work, working double jobs, yung missing all the holidays, you know, yung family birthdays. Doon ko na-realize na, you know, I've come a long way para just to give up. So yun yung turning point. Kaya yung YouTube talagang nakatulong sa akin. Kaya kahit anong sobrang busy ko sa trabaho, every time na I have a chance, every day off ko, talagang gumagawa ako ng content. Tapos ina-enjoy ko naman kasi, you know, may mga taong kayong lahat, thank you all of you guys, kasi na-appreciate nyo yung ginagawa kong video. Kaya nakakatuwa siya. Thank you. Na-hit natin yung 500 subscriber last week. That's why gagawa tayo ng, meron tayong giveaways. 2 people yung mananalo. Yung announcement sa next video. How to entry sa raffle is like this video, watch this video, and drop your name and where you came from sa comment section. Yun yung entry point. And then dun ko gagawin yung raffle. I gotta do the raffle. Yeah, Sapira, we gotta do raffle, yeah, giveaways. Say thank you so much, subscribers. Say it, thank you. So yun, mahalo guys for, you know, for all the love and support. See you guys again next time. Chee! Hi.
Hi, Dodo.
Ngi, say hi. Hi. Nge. Hi everybody. Say hi everybody. Hi.
Bye.
Hi. You like chicken papaya?
It's raining.
Yes,
Mommy. Mommy.
Nasaan na yung ating
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Malikalig na! Oh my God, Saira!
Ano?
Umuntak ka na! Hindi yan!
What's up guys? Akala ko kanina nasabi ko na lahat yung dapat kong sabihin para dun sa raffle natin. Nakalimutan ko kung hanggang kailan. So starting na once na ma-post ko to, hanggang Monday siya. Monday 10 PM at night. At isa pa nga pala, make sure you like, subscribe at paki-share po ng video na to. And then you drop your name and kung taga where you came from sa section comment. Yon. Tama.
Comment section.
Huh?
Comment section.
Oo nga. Comment section.
Share,
Comment section.
share.
Ayan. Yes, ah. Okay.